everyone, and welcome to the Small Business Social Show, where we're dedicated to helping you discover your own personal business model, as well as simplifying the process of creating, marketing, and growing that business. My name is Jill, and I am your host. Today, we're going to be talking about how a business can use affiliate marketing to increase its revenue. And I'm going to give you some actual examples and tell you about a particular business type and exactly how they should go about doing it. So stay tuned to the end. And if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to this channel because every week I'm going to be posting videos that will give you great information to help you market and grow your small business or personal brand. Now, if you have a small business or personal brand and you're not taking advantage of using affiliate marketing, you're actually missing out on a wonderful source of fairly passive income that you could generate to increase your business's revenue. And if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, basically it's the process of selling products and services that you do not own and earning a small payment or a small commission for everything that you sell. And I know you're probably asking, why would you do this if you already have a business that sells products or services? Well, consider this example I'm going to give you. My doggies have an incredible veterinarian, and she is very ethical, skilled, caring, just a good overall person and an amazing vet. And I've recommended this to her. Now, her veterinary practice already practices emergency and preventative care medicine for pets. She does some boarding. She'll also sell a few like dog food brands, and she'll sell a few other items that dogs need. But she has a small office and a small staff, and there's no way she can carry everything that she recommends to her pet parents. So I have recommended to her that she consider affiliate marketing. Now, if she was going to carry everything in her office that she recommends to pet parents, she would have to spend an enormous amount of money in inventory costs. She would have to build out or move or get a much larger space to accommodate all those products. And she'd have to also add on some staff members because it's going to take additional staff to be able to deal with those products. And the reality is that she's serving a fairly small market, and she's not going to be making sales that are going to even pay her back for all of the costs that would be incurred if she was doing the sales directly herself. So one of the best things she can do is to do affiliate marketing. She would not even be able to compete with the PetSmarts and the Amazons and the Chewy.coms of the world on price, on the free shipping and the free 2-day shipping and all the other things they offer. So as the saying goes, if you can't beat them, join them. And this is how to do it. The first thing she would want to do is to determine what she is and is not allowed to do in her field. The field of veterinary medicine is a regulated field, and she would need to make sure that everything falls within the appropriate guidelines first. The second thing I would tell her to do is to make a list of the products she's most often recommending to her pet parents. And after that, we're going to find out who has the affiliate program for those. Now, you can't go crazy and you don't have to join every affiliate program out there, but there are a few big ones. The first one she needs to join is Amazon. That is a given. Amazon carries everything under the sun, for one thing. They also pay you commission on purchases that come directly from your link. So the bottom line is that no matter what they buy, Amazon's going to pay you a commission on whatever they buy after directly clicking on to Amazon from your affiliate link. So that's really cool. Now, they don't pay a super high commission, but it is very easy. Almost everyone has Amazon Prime, and almost everything is on there. So it's a very simple process. And if you want to start, that's the very first thing I would recommend. Now, just to explain that process a little further, basically the affiliate link identifies my dog's vet. So that affiliate link, when clicked on, would tell the brand that those sales are coming directly from her. Okay, so she signed up for affiliate programs. What does she do next? How does she market? The first thing I would recommend is that she compose an email of recommendations that she feels very strongly about to her pet parents and send that out. Within the email should be probably a photo and definitely a clickable link to these products. Now also at the end of the email, it's going to be very important that she tells the pet parents that she has partnered with these brands because she feels so strongly about these products, and that she will receive a small commission on the products, and that the commission does not come from the buyers. It's actually the brand's way of thanking her and paying her back for recommending and generating sales of those products. So there's a lot of other things she can do as well, depending on how much time she has. Now, obviously, she has a nice website. So what would be amazing is if she or one of her very highly skilled vet techs wrote a blog post every month, and maybe it's on a different topic, and within that blog post there are things she's definitely going to want to recommend to her pet parents. Again, provide the links within that blog post. The awesome thing about blog posts, videos, podcasts, if you want to go down those routes, is that you're reaching a much larger audience. When you have a local business, you're only really serving your community, because people are not going to drive super far to patronize a business. If she's writing this blog with the thought process of being really helpful to not only the pet parents but the pets, and making sure they have the best of everything and are treated the best way possible. And if you're sharing great information and you're really helping others, then they feel good about buying from you and taking your recommendations, especially if they know and trust you, which her pet parents do. That's super important too, to just be doing it 100% ethically and only recommending things you truly believe in. Some of the other things that she could do with time permitting, or her staff can do as well, is to interview other people. Maybe there's a local pet trainer that can come on and be interviewed on her podcast, on her blog, on her YouTube channel, any of those things she decides to create. They can talk about all kinds of information that can help others with their pets and different behavioral issues they might be having. The other thing that she can do is to send out an email to follow up, or to share this post with her email list. And she can also recommend this trainer if this is someone she truly believes in and thinks will do a good job. So what they can do after as well is they can set up a plan where she can work with this trainer to recommend him, whatever method she wants to her pet parents. And that trainer in return can pay her a small commission on each pet parent that signs up for a training program with him. Now, one of the things I want to tell you all, do not be afraid to ask for payment when you're providing a service, period. I'm being a little hypocritical here because I used to be very much like this, and sometimes I still go overboard for my own clients, but it really is important. And what you need to realize is that she would be providing a vital service and lead gen service for this trainer. He would be benefiting growing his business directly from her. She would have the expense of the time and effort and other expenses it would take to get his information out to her audience in whatever fashion she uses. So there is no reason at all that she shouldn't ask for a commission. And a commission doesn't hurt him because he's only paying it if she sends directly to him a pet parent who signs up with him. Now, I hope this was a really helpful and useful overview for you. I wanted it to get you thinking about your particular business and different ways to generate income, and especially a way that would fit in seamlessly with what you're already doing. And if you have any questions at all, any comments at all, please feel free to leave them below for me. You can also reach me at jill@jillwfox.com. And my company, Fox Social Media, does all of this stuff. So if you need help going forward, just send me an email or leave me a message in the comments, and I'd be happy to discuss it with you. Thank you so much again for listening to this and watching this video today. And I want to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, because I've got so much useful information to share with you after 9+ years of running the social media marketing, the ads programs for businesses in a multitude of industries. And I'm really excited to be doing this now and helping all of you as well. So thank you again, and I look forward to seeing you next week.